What is the problem with you again?
My job is the problem, doctor. I feel I'm wasting my life. I'm wasting my potential.
Oh, this is very simple. Find a better job.
Well, I have changed a few really, but I always get the same crap. Excuse my language. I don't like obeying orders. I think I'm meant for more than being just a miserable employee. I have so many dreams.
Nein, nein, nein! No dreams! You can't quit your job. Don't take risks.
But I've heard nowadays I can start an online business risk-free from home without quitting my job until I earn way more than what I earn now. I guess then I can quit my job.
Nein, nein! You don't have anything to offer? How do you dare thinking you can be an entrepreneur?
But I know that with affiliate marketing, for example, you don't need any product. You can promote any already existing product or service from the best companies in the world, the ones you love, and you can earn automated commissions. You just check your phone to see how much you earn each day.
Nein, he would drive me crazy. You don't have the technical skills to do that.
You need no technical skills at all. There are people out there showing you exactly how to do it step by step. I know people of all ages and backgrounds doing it all over the world. I'm actually learning how to do it already. But who are you to tell me what I can and what I cannot do, by the way?
I am Dr. Nein, and I represent the traditional society ruling this world. My job is to create fears in you so that you keep doing the things that we want you to do. Work hard, pay your bills, pay your taxes, and keep buying useless things. You're not good enough to set yourself free from our system.
Oh, really? We'll see that. We'll see that. Millions of people are already choosing a different path nowadays, you know? I've already found a wonderful community that is providing me all the education and tools I need to start my first online business from scratch around anything I love, valorizing my own experience and my own skills. They're always there when I need them, and they will never leave me alone until I succeed. I will create financial and geographical freedom for myself, and you know what? Anyone can click this blue Learn More button here, they can fill in their contact details, and I will immediately send them the videos where they can understand exactly how to generally do the same for them and their families.